Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 5 Series battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, wear protective gear like safety glasses and gloves to prevent contact with battery acid. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, let's disconnect the old battery. You'll usually find the battery in the trunk or sometimes under the rear seat of your BMW 5 Series. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first with your 10 mm wrench. After that, disconnect the positive terminal. Make sure to move both cables away from the battery to prevent accidental contact during removal. Now it's time to remove the old battery and install the new one. First, unfasten any hold-down clamps or brackets that secure the battery in its tray. Be careful when lifting out the old battery, as it can be quite heavy, often weighing more than 40 pounds. Gently place the new battery into the tray, making sure it is seated firmly and correctly. Finally, let's reconnect and register your new battery. Begin by connecting the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure to prevent any electrical issues. For optimal performance and to avoid error codes, it's crucial to register the new battery with your BMW system using a compatible diagnostic tool. This step is vital for proper charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.